I'm working on 2002, I think, Volkswagen Jetta, white fish.
I reckon.
I'm going to replace the timing belt with this.
I told you. Timing belts are a bitch.
I got this one. 17 millimeter for the top. 15. There you go, 15 millimeter for the tensioner. Okay. You see my right hand right here? I'm going to pull it with the right hand, and the bottom right here, I'm going to remove the belt.
Oh, isn't that some fancy shit?
Right there. Got it out. Okay, T25. Torx T25.
And there you go. $18.
18. So,
Oh shit.
80 millimeter socket for this engine mount.
18 meters. Thanks for the blow in my face. Marking the spot where the groove is. Oh, dude, the light.
This one's gonna be more visible, so I'm not gonna put any paint on it. I'm just gonna put it on the
So it'll be more visible?
yeah, on the pulley.
Pulley.
Okay, I'm gonna, so this mark needs to be aligned to this one, and then we're gonna see another one on top.
Gotcha. Oh my god.
Okay, those two are aligned. Now we're gonna go to the top. Okay, but to avoid damage, I'm gonna disconnect all those right here. There you go. So now we can move this to the side right here. There you go, right there. See this little groove? Right where my nail is. Are you guys not able to see it, right?
I'd zoom it in. Oh, it didn't work because of blinded. Bang! There's the marker, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay. I'm gonna put on the
You're
yellow
gonna
paint
mark
there too.
it.
Yep.
You're gonna mark it with yellow paint.
Okay. Okay. Oh, it's right there. Well, not gonna be too much. It's right there. Only this, line. Okay. Put this out.
Ready, we're
Okay. Right here. One. too.
That one's
So for this is gonna be another 16 millimeter.
16 millimeter.
One. There you go.
Oh, that bitch is tight.
Nope. There is one. And the other one gonna be all the way over here. See if I can do it.
There's another screw.
Bolt.
Excuse me, bolt.
Okay, longer. Okay. The one in the bottom and the one in the back of the car gonna be same size. The one in the front on top gonna be longer.
10-4.
There you go. So I'm gonna go towards the back of the engine. Towards the back. Between the engine and the firewall. Okay. So this is right here. Okay. 13 millimeter for the drive belt tensioner.
Alright, most.
Okay, I'm heating up those bolts. I'm gonna give it a try right there.
Okay, now we're gonna back it up. Let's see if this works. If it worked, I'll be amazed. Please be advised
There
when
you
you.
go. Look at that. So easy.
Oh shit! No
Look at
way.
that. See? So rusty there. There you go. Okay.
Look at there, ladies and gentlemen.
So now we're gonna remove this cover, and for that gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 millimeter.
Oh, there goes the ring. Oh, isn't that some fancy shit? All right, we'll just start a new
So I
bit.
already cut this off, okay? Because anyway, like I said, it's garbage.
Right.
So
Oh, you didn't
I
have
need to
it.
remove this pulley.
Oh, you're moving the pulley. Oh my! That scared me. Is it hot?
No, it's just greasy.
Great. Oh, look at there.
10
Now he's working on a 10.
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter.
Okay, it's probably gonna be 2 bolts. Then the one in the back gonna be 10, and this one's gonna be 10 millimeters. Okay, this is gonna be the water pump. Gonna be 3. Looks like it's 3 10 millimeter bolts. Hold on.
What is that?
Okay. So I'm gonna remove the water pump.
Oh, you're moving water. Alright, as soon as he gets done whatever he's doing, I'll be home. Alright. Alright. That's my mother. Motherly love.
So there is
Okay, let's finish this. Let's wrap this
the
joint.
water pump right there. We're gonna install the new tensioner now.
5 tablespoons of sugar. We put the sugar inside. Look, we're mixing. Look what.
There you go. Okay, 210 mm for the tensioner. Okay.
Oh, it's a video. Look. I don't know. I took a video. Oh, sorry.
Okay. So,
It's on it. Don't worry.
so when I release the tensioner, you're gonna push this one up, and the tensioner is gonna put tension on the belt. Okay. So if have that alignment,
It's alignment.
I mean, if have this alignment, we are just gonna put the, see the little plate with the timing mark.
Yeah.
Remember?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put it on
Mm-hmm.
just to check if the mark, both of the mark are on time. Okay, so
So you only got
since
15.
we installed all that, we did it 2 turns,
Mhm.
right?
Right.
So and the marks are where they're supposed to be.
They're lined up.
This means it's good to go. We're gonna release the tensioner. Okay.
Pull the bomb. It's going to explode. That's some fancy shit right there.
And
Sorry
this-
for my language, ladies and
Okay.
gents.
This should be
Good to go, and then put the motor
Yeah.
block back on. Put that
okay.
someone.
I'm still gonna do the 2 revolutions again. Okay, just to make sure you guys don't want to start this vehicle.
Right.
You guys not. I mean, I'm sure, but double check. This type of jobs, you need to double check because if you're not doing it right, you're gonna blow the engine.
Even though you're working on cars, you still can make it fun and interesting.
So I don't see nothing wrong with it. I would say it's ready to put everything back on.
Well, you
I
can,
already did another 2 after releasing the tensioner.
right.
I already did 2 more two.
Pull the pin on the grenade.
Yeah, I did 2 more turns.
Turns.
Bottom is aligned.
Yeah.
Top is aligned right here.
Top of the line.
And
See that, ladies and gents. Look at
And
that.
you-
All that CF for all that for just
what
for
I
point.
removed is the reverse, right?
Right.
So it makes no sense to record it because you're just gonna be the reverse.
Right.
Okay.
So I can